All right, welcome. I'm going to show you a really fun, easy way to clean out your garage after the winter. Look at all this junk. We've got leaves, we've got grass, we've got dirt. By the way, click that like button, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to share this if you think somebody might benefit from a clean garage. Super fast. So here's how I'm doing it. Got a leaf blower, my new leaf blower. Love this thing, and we're putting it on high. It's got a turbo function as well. And we are just blowing all this stuff out. I'm starting from the back of the garage and moving my way forward. That's obvious, right? This baby has so much power, it's pretty unbelievable, but it should do a great job at getting rid of all the stuff that's stuck behind. See underneath there? I mean, it'll move pieces of wood pretty quickly, but it blows out all those cobwebs, all the, the wood. If you have a miter saw and you're cutting in your garage, all that sawdust. You want to make sure things are held down reasonably well. It will, like I said, move things you don't intend it to move, but it does a great job. This is how I do it, cleaning out my garage in about 2 minutes or less. Hopefully this helped you out.